Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 Kia Motorhome. Kia has taken a bold step into the world of recreational vehicles, blending innovation, comfort, and practicality in one modern package. Designed for travelers who crave adventure without sacrificing convenience, the 2026 Kia Motorhome redefines what it means to hit the open road. Let's take a closer look at what makes this all-new model such a game-changer for road trip enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Kia Motorhome boasts a sleek and aerodynamic exterior that perfectly balances style with functionality. Kia's signature design language shines through, featuring smooth body lines, LED lighting, and a futuristic front fascia. Large panoramic windows enhance visibility and give the interior a spacious, airy feel. The rear design integrates storage compartments seamlessly, while customizable color options let owners tailor the look to match their lifestyle. Inside, high-quality materials, smart lighting, and modular seating create a premium yet cozy living space built for long journeys. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Kia Motorhome offers two powertrain options, a fuel-efficient hybrid system and an all-electric variant designed for zero-emission travel. The hybrid combines a 2.0-liter engine with electric assist for optimal range and power, while the EV model delivers impressive torque and quiet performance. Kia's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures stability on various terrains, and the adaptive suspension smooths out rough roads for a comfortable ride. With fast charging capability and regenerative braking, the electric version is ideal for eco-conscious travelers seeking freedom without limits, safety, and technology. Kia has equipped the 2026 Motorhome with the latest driver assistance and connectivity technologies. Advanced safety features include smart cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring for effortless highway driving. Inside, a large digital cockpit integrates navigation, vehicle data, and smart home controls, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with voice commands. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G connectivity keep passengers entertained and connected wherever the road leads. Conclusion. The 2026 Kia Motorhome represents a bold new chapter for Kia and for the motorhome industry as a whole. With its forward-thinking design, advanced powertrains, and modern comforts, it's built to inspire endless adventures. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or cross-country expeditions, this motorhome promises to make every journey unforgettable. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates on the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of travel.